Hello everyone. Now we will see what is molarity. So molarity is one of the best way to expression of concentration of solution. It is defined as number of moles of solute to volume of a solution in dm cube. So we can write it as number of moles of solute. We can write as mass of a solute in kg divided by molar mass of a solution, as we know definition of number of moles. So we will study how to solve numericals based on molarity. Molarity is expressed in mole per tm2. As we know, number of moles of solute is mole, and volume it is expressed in dm cube or liter. It is expressed in mole per dm cube. One of the important point is volume dependent quantity. Molarity is volume dependent quantity, but volume changes with temperature. Hence, a drawback of expressing concentration of molarity is it is temperature dependence. As temperature varies, the molarity of a concentration of solution may vary. Now we will see how to solve numerical based on molarity. So problem is a solution of NaOH, molar mass is given, was prepared by dissolving 1.6 gram of NaOH in 500 cm cube of water. So basically we have to write given mass of NaOH is equals to 1.6 into, here is given in gram, we have to convert in kg to -3 kg, and volume of solution is 500 cm cube. We have to convert because here required in dm cube, so we have to convert 500 cm cube into dm cube, so is equals to 5.5 dm cube. Molar mass is given, molar mass of NaOH is equals to 40, here is given, here is also given 40 gram is given. We have to convert 40 into 10 raised to -3 kg. So here we convert it into gram into kg, or volume in cm cube into dm cube. So required quantities are available. So basically, what is the formula of molarity? Molarity formula is number of moles of solute to the volume of solution in dm cube. We have, here is, we don't have any number of moles are given, so basically we have to find number of moles. So number of moles is number of moles we have to find. We can, here is also number of moles of NaOH, we can write as given mass you can also watch, I will made video on number of moles of solution, number of moles of lecture, you can also watch this. Here is mass of NaOH to the molar mass, of NaOH. So we can write it as 1.6 into 10 raised to -3 divided by 40 into 10 raised to minus 3. Here answer is 1 upon 25. Now we will put this value in this. Volume of solution is also given, so we can solve this. So molarity is equals to, so I can write that number of moles solid is here NaOH divided by volume of solution in dm cube. So here number of NaOH solution is, here is 1 upon 25. Volume of solution is 0.5 dm cube. So here answer is 0.08. What is the unit? Mole per dm cube.